Is Bluetooth not connecting, randomly disconnecting, or not working properly on your Pixel device? Whether it's your earbuds, car, or smartwatch, don't worry, this video will walk you through the best fixes step by step. Watch the video till the end. Solution 1. Forget and repair the Bluetooth device. Repairing can fix connection and audio issues. Go to Settings on your Pixel device, then tap Connected Devices. Now tap Connection Preferences. Next, tap the Bluetooth. After that, tap the gear icon next to the device that is already connected. Then tap Forget. Now tap Pair New Device and pair the selected device again, then see if it works. Solution 2. Clear Bluetooth System Cache. Open Settings on your device. Now tap on Apps, then select See All Apps. This is the most important part. So tap the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner, then select Show System. Now scroll down the list and tap Bluetooth. After that, tap on Storage and Cache. Then tap Clear Storage or Clear Data, and a warning will pop up. Now tap Delete. Open Bluetooth after that and see if it works. Solution 3. Reset Network Settings. If nothing works, reset network settings. Go to Settings on your device. Scroll down and tap System. Now, scroll to the bottom and tap Reset Options. Tap Mobile Network Settings and confirm it by following the screen. Then tap Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This won't delete your personal data. That's all for today's solutions. If this video helps you reconnect your devices, hit the like button and subscribe for more Pixel tips and quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.